So hi, um, I'm here to talk about adding a new service area. So we're gonna add a new service area expansion and the Steam Plus. So this is how you add it. I'm just gonna create a sample one because I don't have a I don't have the current expansion area that will be added in the website. So basically, what we're trying to do is add another service area here because I think the Steam Plus is doing some expansion of the service areas. So first of all, um, if you check this out, um, for doing it faster, since the layout is already lined up here in the Steam Plus, we can just copy the layout and we can manually input the text by text on here on this content. So first of all, let's create the new page for the service area. So example, I'm gonna create page. So example, we're gonna create Ventura. This is just a sample. And on the document that you will gonna receive, it should have the contents of the page, and also it should have like a meta title and description. So just scroll down here at the bottom of the page and find the rank math SEO here, and you click the edit snippet. Here you're gonna paste the title and the description from the document of the new service area that Teresa will provide you. So once all of it is fill up, I'm just gonna scroll up, and since we're gonna create the Ventura, this is just a sample service area, so it's not the real area in the system. So we're gonna publish, and here let's open a new tab for Madison. Sorry, here. So since the in the service area layouts are already given here, so for easy way we can just copy the layout and manually add the content. So here, click edit, click the enable visual builder, so we can get the layout. So let's go back first on the edit page. I mean for the Ventura page that we created. So here we already published. So here you can see that we already have a Ventura. If you click it right now, it's not yet layout. So here we go back and we're going to use the DB builder. So just click the DB builder and let's wait a couple of minutes for it to load. Here, there. Okay, so here, so still start building. So we already have the section on our end. And first of all, for that one, I want, since I clicked the DB builder, I want to update it to make sure it looks for the DB, I mean, the DB builder will load. So if you refresh the Ventura page, so it's like this. So it's blank page. So it means that we're using the DB builder already on this one. So here, Ventura, Scratch. Once all of that is good, we're gonna click the build on, and yeah. So let's go back again to the Madison for to the layout that we're gonna copy this one. So here you can see that it's all layouted already. So we're just gonna copy and paste this layout. So here, go up and click this blue one and copy section. And let's go back to this one. We start building and click close. You can see that there's already the blue one, right? Similar on this one. So we already copied this section. So go back to Ventura, and on the settings, just right click, and you can see the paste section. So because we copy already the section from the Madison, we can paste section here on the new Ventura page we created. So here, so when I click the paste, it copied the whole layout from the Madison. So but here this was default by blank, so we're gonna delete this one. So now we have the new layout for the Ventura, and we're just gonna click save. And if you visit the Ventura and refresh this one, you can see that we already copied the layout from Ventura. I mean, from Madison to Ventura. So here, what we can do is update this one section per section, module per module. So basically, if you copy and paste, you need to go to select this one, since this is custom one, so you need to go on the text coded area, and here you replace this one. Most of all is that one, and this is default already, so no need to change this one. So here you can copy and paste from, so this is per section and section actually, so you need to individually update this one, and just base it on the content for what we call it, for base it on content for the new content on the new page that you will gonna create. And for creating this one, for creating the images, I'm gonna provide a separate video for this one. Thank you.